Welcome to this English vocabulary challenge. Stop saying very good, very bad, or very angry. Learn the one word that says it better. Comment your score at the end. Let's begin. Question 1. Which word describes very bad? Answer B. Terrible. What is another word for very angry? Answer B. Furious. Which word means very good? Answer C. Excellent. Which word can replace very big? Answer D. Huge. What is a better word for very fast? Answer B. Quick. Which word can replace very small? Answer B. Tiny. Choose a word that replaces very tired. Answer C. Exhausted. Which word describes very happy? Answer B. Joyful. What is another word for very cold? Answer D. Freezing. Pick the best alternative for very clean. Answer B. Spotless. Which word means very hot? Answer B. Boiling. Which word can replace very noisy? Answer D. Deafening. What is a better word for very old? Answer C. Ancient. Choose a word that replaces very scary. Answer D. Horrifying. Which word describes very hungry? Answer B. Starving. How many have you gotten right so far? Keep going. What is another word for very smart? Answer D. Brilliant. Which word means very quiet? Answer B. Silent. Pick the best alternative for very messy. Answer D. Chaotic. Which word can replace very rich? Answer B. Wealthy. What is a better word for very sad? Answer D. Heartbroken. Choose a word that replaces very brave. Answer C. Courageous. Which word describes very careful? Answer D. Cautious. What is another word for very dirty? Answer C. Filthy. Which word means very boring? Answer D. Tedious. Pick the best alternative for very careful with money. Answer A, frugal. Which word can replace very weak? Answer D, feeble. What is a better word for very polite? Answer C, courteous. Choose a word that replaces very fast learner. Answer D, quick-witted. Which word describes very serious? Answer C, grave. What is another word for very crowded? Answer D, congested. Which word means very important? Answer C, crucial. Pick the best alternative for very confusing. Answer D, perplexing. Choose a word that replaces very beautiful. Answer C, gorgeous. Which word describes very strict? Answer D, rigid. Which word means very difficult? Answer B, challenging. Pick the best alternative for very tired mentally. Answer C, drained. Which word can replace very clear and easy to understand? Answer D, straightforward. What is a better word for very powerful? Answer D, formidable. Which word can replace very obvious? Answer A, blatant. Choose a word that replaces very unclear or confusing. Answer D, ambiguous. Which word describes very eager or enthusiastic? Answer A, zealous. How many did you answer correctly out of the 40 questions? Leave your answer in the comments. Don't miss our weekly uploads. Subscribe to stay updated.